Hi guys, my name is Doug and welcome to the Third Stall Garage. I'm glad you're here. The Third Stall Garage is my dream shop. I've always been wanting to build. I've been a DIYer for 30 years, tackling projects like restoring vintage travel trailers, building Jeeps, restoring old houses, and a little bit of everything. And this channel is about restoring a classic vintage Mustang. And I invite you to join me because I think work like this is something that anybody can do with some hard work, some learning, some asking questions along the way. And I invite you to join me as I learn to do this. I think you can too. It's also going to be about building my shop. I'm fortunate to have a great shop to work in, and I'm just starting to complete it with tools and accessories needed to do this kind of work. So I'm going to be sharing that with you as I go. Thanks for being part of this. Please subscribe. Let me know what questions, comments you have, and I hope that I can learn from you while you learn from me. Have a great day.